my pets.
Look, now he's gonna stop.
Sorry. Kitty.
Sophia's tongue.
Tongue is...
Oh, goodness.
I've always wanted to know how rough it is, because you know how cats have those
Yeah.
tongues. I can only imagine how theirs would be.
Probably sandblast a wall with it. Hi, kitty.
Twitch.
I know, their ears. It's so cute because their heads are so big and then their ears are tiny.
Yeah.
Any more cleaning? We're just gonna make stink face again. Oh,
He's probably smelling us going.
you smelling us? That smells like dinner.
Yeah. Oh, he's sleeping with the little legs up in the air.
Hey guys.
Oh, and the twitch.
Oh, and twitch.
and
And stretch. And fell.
My routine is to just twitch and roll and stretch.
That's what my cat does.
Yeah.
She's old.